All right, so we've made our trial balance. Now we're going to make our income statement, which consists of our trading account and our statement of profit or loss. All right, so from our trial balance, we're going to get our information. Okay, we're going to see sales is a form of revenue. All right, sales is a form of revenue. Purchases is an expense. Okay, purchases is an expense. Also, rent is an expense. All right, what else do we need? All right, so we just have those three components of our trial balance, which are going to go to our trading account and our statement of profit or loss. Right, so we're going to say trading account for John, John for the month ended January. Okay, so always in our trading account, start with our sales, 1,550. All right, go to now get our cost of sales. Okay, remember profit, gross profit equals sales minus cost of sales. All right, so what are the cost of sales? We only have purchases here. Purchases. All right, so since there are no adjustments that we'll be making, so we'll just put the amount here, 2,100. Right, and we'll say gross profit. Okay, so we'll say gross profit. Oh, the purchases are higher than the sales, so it looks like we'll be in a loss. 1,550 minus 2,100. So this is our gross loss, negative 550. All right, we made a gross loss of 550. All right, then we're going to say less expenses, because remember in our income statement we're just focusing on expenses and forms of revenue. We do not have any other forms of income here. All right, we want to go to expenses. So what was the expense? Rent. All right, let's say rent here. Okay, rent, rent 200. All right, so let's say the net loss. Okay, the net loss is 550 minus 200, negative 750. So that is the net loss. Okay, that's our income statement. And so we close it like this. Okay, very small income statement. We did not have inventory here because we have assumed that all the inventory has been sold. Okay, we assume that all the inventory has been sold, so we do not have any inventory here, and the other components of the trading account or the statement of profit or loss. Right now we're going to make the statement of financial position. Right, so I would have just put here income statement for John. Income statement. Remember, the income statement is a combination of the trading account and the statement of profit and loss. This is the income statement. Then the statement of financial position, get the balance sheet statement for financial position for John for the month ended first. I will say this year was 2020. Okay, 2020. You always have to have the year 2020. All right, so what goes in our balance sheet? The assets, liability, and capital. So it's going to say fixed assets. Right, what our fixed assets here? So fixed assets here is equipment. Right, equipment 2000. We have any other fixed asset? Do you have any other fixed asset? Equipment 2000. All right, what else? Receivables, cash. Okay, no other fixed assets. Okay, then we say non-fixed assets. Non-fixed assets. Okay. Remember, these are the assets which we do not intend to keep for more than a year. All right. Fixed assets, these are the assets we intend to keep for more than a year. So non-fixed assets, we have cash. Okay, and we have our receivables. Those 400. So we'll say cash. And cash 6,550. Receivables 400. Receivables 400. So 550 plus 400, you get 6,950. Okay, so we're going to say total assets. The total assets is going to equal to 2,000 plus 6,950. We get 8,950. Those are our total assets. Okay. Now we'll go to capital. All right, capital and liabilities. Capital and liabilities. So we have capital here, capital, capital. All right, capital 10,000. 10,000. And net loss. Okay, we put in brackets 750. Whenever I put in brackets, it represents negative. As Excel will show you here, it represents negative 750. Less drawings. Less drawings. Drawings was how much? 500. So we have drawings here, 500. All right, we total them up. 10,000 plus negative 750 minus 500. We get 8,750. All right, that's our capital and liabilities. And then finally, we have our payables 200, which are our liabilities. Liabilities is our current liabilities. Current liabilities. Current liabilities. Number liabilities are what we owe. Okay. Current liabilities, payables. Put here payables. Payables 200. All right, so we're going to total this up. 8,750 plus 200. Get 8,950. So as we can see, our assets Okay, assets equals liability plus capital. Okay, we have balanced. Okay, so those are that's how we made the financial statements. Okay, for John, the sole trader. Thank you guys, and we'll see you next time.